As a country, I want to be very realistic nga akero no minto MCA tebanga bora ibo chakera kurunsalia ono njiri ambo chakera kurugoro because what generally as a country etokorigeria chakera presidency twatumbuka weka Ruto Kera's office there was a lot of expectations from the Kenyans. And you know, again, tunataka koteba kurera bakusiba manye na Bakenya ngeringa ki we politicians, as much as my brother here is saying, James nera mochumbe na musabireta chako mochumbo kitutu chache north. He would also be accused the same. I've been in office for 2 terms. Nimanyiti. Ekero kura you overpromise. But when it comes to the reality, deliver, the problem happens. Because even to be honest, you work with the budget. When the budget is limited, even to you cannot accommodate them all because of the budget. That's one thing. William Ruto. He overpromised. One can be a problem. What creates issue John's Pia promised and we can cheat. That's the first promise. Ayo mintona kwa negro yasha. When sha again to kendi yoje karagego chaka. Kebwada teething problems. But as time goes by, karokia wadrense ngoja karakia veki. If sha wasa ko korapan repeating small. Eyo mwano mintata bacha msinga. Change system abantu bakane monthly na yakabere in NHF SHA is very good. Like now I can tell you akonyere awai kiraniri as much as atebanga ngakarwa kirogota work and the whole year again to kirikira usiwa lakini yakarwa akane karwa ansa kubatulite my friend ogota kwagenda now one I can bear witness on Thursday last week mongno na ruare te kuruwa na reward Ochaka Rwari were level 6, Ebiria and 7-6, and the family is very poor. I can tell you, Shayam, I cannot say choice. Agasok. Igosha is a good change. We call Rupan beating a pit is going to work effectively. That's number one. Number 2, again, to Atavaka free education. Free education, we go back to Moy regime. Free you know where arenge gocha but injare ngaba affected yorle umuntu bono o actualize tigendege almost ke mwaiki back free primary education and free secondary education paka na recapitation chiaja kubeko. The only problem now I'm telling you na bono a problem koba ya verese a government yo moske William Ruto whom I support nkeringa there is miscommunication. The president himself, the deputy says this, then the minister says this. This is the main problem. Like now, capitation you get 22,500 from the regime Yamui, from the regime ya Uru, Yegaswa na Ruto. Ruto has been evicting it for the last 2 years. He has been in office. Okay, this is the 3rd financial year. Why does it change? As much as I'm supporting him for that one, I cannot support. Otherwise what we need in getting a free education esuke koru 22,000 again on 35,000. That's my opinion. And what I'm saying in Korea, I believe in my head in Jerateo Rutara Skuchwesa go chance. It is nowhere in this country and the people will not accept.
Serikali mbaru na mangana manyora bakwera ninga umuasiri choni mbadi na rota tanga chiakere uja 16 umosike migo cheka tabaya chiatigere 22 tegalende ne epacha tia bajumbe bakarutunga na bajumbe batapacha tichiba sisa ine bokurtera na ngoro na kwa tabese serikali. That's what I'm saying.
There is a miscommunication between intergovernment officials because even the minister says but you see now even the Minister of Finance, then Nonyoso mete also mete baga CBK in terms of the accounts. At the times, takobo mwango kwane gento otara kora consultation. As much as he looked at the budget, akaronga kaga ku effect ako effect chiwese 22,000
abagera
abana bara Kenya nchigo kura mwaka mugima it will have not come out like that igara go chaka ko effect. You see the problem also we have, even you ask the principals, you ask the principal of our schools about up to now the last financial year Zimbabwe kora the capitation chance 22,000 ne chia primary 1,320 by a child it chance Zimbabwe akana the whole year in kiago to mere chits financial year 2025 2026 atara to tebin ki atara korira year 2024 2025 then the minister lies in a problem. It's not even the other officials. The ministers come out and one we know you say I'm not defending because he hails from Guziland, but he has stood because Neri custodian of the Ministry of Education. He has stood in his ground. Our capitation remains the same as 22,500. Nigeria primary it means 1320. You see now, we should follow the ministry, the minister's statement. We don't follow the minister of our finance because you never watch a couple of then the one to be blamed. The minister of finance he lies to things. Yes.
Omosika tandi ko igule muna omosika pokata bire igoro ya sha igoro ya mangana ya capitation ne bibionzi gocha ekaro ko bwatrani litko ligoro kusama tukabere atatu igaitire